Oh, WWE Universe, it's time to get the tables. We are about to see some hardware get broken tonight.
The following contest is a Tornado Tag Team match and is for the WWE Tag Team Championship. On the way to the ring at a combined weight of 603 pounds, Bubba Ray and D-Ball, the Dudley Boyz. And their opponents at a combined weight of 482 pounds, Triple H and Shawn Michaels, D-Generation X.
Remember, guys, the type... You win these, you make a case as one of the best. WWE Tag Titles are the light at the end of the tunnel in this tumultuous Tornado Tag match. We're starting this off. Bubba Ray Dudley and Devon Dudley. They've got their hands full across the ring with Triple H and Shawn Michaels.
Let the record reflect that I don't believe Tag Team Championship should be on the line under Tornado Tag rules. Tag Team competition is an art form, and there aren't even actual tags in Tornado Tag matches. Who decided this, huh? In a no disqualification match, you never want to be the superstar on the wrong end of a chair or a kendo stick, or whatever else might be hiding under the ring. You want to be the one inflicting that punishment because
The early quick cover, title on the line. No, he kicks out.
strong kick out, but you have to wonder if he can keep it up. Grabbing a kendo stick, any connection with flesh will definitely leave a welt.
Michaels avoids the attack. Sit out, pile driver.
You hit a move like that, you're not just trying to win, you're trying to keep your opponent down indefinitely. Focusing on the shoulder like that can be felt all the way to your fingertips. One counter met by another.
Punch after punch after punch. Just going all out with every blow. And Triple H's opposition showing some answers to the test the game presents. Yeah, Bubba showed a solid game plan there.
Oh! A defensive elbow to the gut ends that.
Boot.
Down to Otis, and a double axe handle smash.
From behind. Back suplex. Saw it coming and slowed it down with the back elbow. And he throws the opposition back into the ring.
Last second knee to the face there.
Look at this. This can't be good. Brutal escape as that maneuver was taking just too long.
This game's about winning at any and all costs.
This competitor knows exactly what more can this superstar do. Reaching deep into the arsenal. This could end the entire match. From the top floor. Superplex. A move from that height could rearrange your bones. Oh no, now that he has the kendo stick, I definitely do not want to be in his path of destruction.
And of course, kendo sticks are always under the ring in the event of any rogue ninja attacks.
Triple H grabbing a weapon he knows all too well. The dreaded sledgehammer. Sledgehammer right to the gut. Bam! Nice kick. Got him up. Oh, subatomic drop. Turns that back on Devon. Into the hammerlock. Oh boy. Back suplex. Coming back from the outside now. At this stage, he's endured plenty of big attacks. German suplex.
I can't believe it. Somehow able to find the leverage and get it done. Drives his opponent down with a Uranagi.
Pain must be shooting through that leg now. Going up to the turnbuckle here.
From the top. Buster by Triple H.
Totally helpless at the moment. Trying to fight their way out of harm's way. Triple H hooks the arms. This is vintage Hunter right here. Pedigree.
Triple H has this all sewn up. And then quickly the cover.
2.
And we have new tag team champions.
Here are your winners and new WWE Tag Team Champions, Triple H and Shawn Michaels, D-Generation X.
What a victory here tonight in this dramatic tag team match.
I was so impressed with how well these guys adapted to the Tornado tag stipulation.